A warm welcome. You with World Business Report. I'm Sally Bundock. Here are the headlines. Budget airline Ryanair is trying to take over Irish flag carrier Aer Lingus for the third time. Will it succeed this time around? Good to have you with us. Well, the European Commission is expected to make a decision on Ryanair's third attempt to take over its Irish rival Aer Lingus. Ryanair, which already owns 30% of the competing airline, may face opposition to the deal from the Commission because it would potentially reduce competition. Aer Lingus has already asked for the bid to be rejected, but Ryanair's actually asked rival airlines to consider providing competition on routes to and from Dublin, where the two Irish carriers are the leading or only providers. So will it get its way around this time? Jeremy Howe reports. Now, Hong Kong's market regulator is taking Ernst & Young to court to force it to reveal information on a former China-based client. Let's get more from Rico Hizon, who's in our Asia Business Hub in Singapore. Rico, this is an unprecedented move, isn't it? Australia next is planning to join the European Union's carbon emissions trading scheme, which is quite controversial with some countries in the world. Tell us more about that. Rico, nice to see you. Let's now take you to the States next, because the internet streaming service Pandora will be releasing its latest results, its earnings figures, after the bell in New York later. The company went public in June last year and was valued at $100 million. But unlike several other high-profile tech companies' stock market debuts, its shares have not sunk ever since. And the market for online music has been surprisingly successful, and most analysts expect Pandora to swing into a profit in the second quarter. From New York, Samira Hussain reports. Markets today are fairly flat in Asia. All eyes on the US, actually. Later on today, we'll get their latest growth numbers for the world's biggest economy in the months of April, May and June. They are expected to see growth of 1.7%. Most economists predict that. That data will be out later on today. So shares higher a little bit in Asia ahead of that. You can see how the currencies are doing. Also, as well, the Federal Reserve will be talking about their plans for the US economy on Friday. So a lot of attention on the States at the moment. That's all from me for the time being. I'll see you soon for a look at the papers.